I'm going to show you what to do. We're doing enough for two at the moment, and so you can prepare your things by giving you the ingredients. You need spaghetti or linguine, more likely. That's the best way. I prefer linguine personally, so we're enough for two here. Usually a packet is enough for four. Okay, so we'll go 2 eggs, 1 egg each for people, and we'll go half onions chopped, bacon or pancetta, wherever you go available, bacon will do. Usually 1.5 slice per person, a rasher, and chopped that way in long, no square but long ones that way. That's where we're going to julienne. Onions finely chopped onions. If you want to know how to finely chop an onions, you can do that, I suppose. Right, so you take the onion, it can be white, doesn't have to be red onions. Half, clean it, half it, and then hold it that way, not all the way through, just to near the end, so it still stays together at the end. That way, watch your finger, half of the way, and then this way around, and then you get it that size, kind of chop. Okay, that's how small you get it. Then you get Parmesan cheese, you just grate it. Roughly this is enough for one, so for two. And blended pepper, finally crushed, you see me here, and the two eggs and the cheese. You put everything all together. Funny, hopefully you break it better than me. It's meant to be that way, that's it. And then all you do, you need to take a large fork, or bigger fork, and just mix everything together. Easily at this point we add a little bit of cream, or milk in this case. Milk will do, not much, enough for two, so that kind of idea. And you mix everything, and it comes to a creamy idea. Well, and I'll show you, all creamy, mixed that way. You can see lots of pepper, cheese, little bit of cream, or preferable cream, but milk will do just as well. Not too much. Mix it well and put aside. Don't need that right now. Now you take the frying pan. Oh, meantime you put a pot for cooking the linguine or spaghetti with lots of water and salt. Or to be salted. Salt. Again, it's usually pinch per person. Okay? Last boil. Take a frying pan, olive oil. Again, I've got quite a larger frying pan, but the larger the better. Depends on how many people you do. So I would say that much oil. And on, and put the chopped onions, same time as bacon or pancetta, and let it fry high, take a while until it's actually cooked, until it's golden crispy, and then you add more pepper even to this. So we'll let it fry at the moment, should be okay. I'm gonna spoon pressed. That's ready, that's ready. Or maybe you want to add, if you have little pinch of parsley. Some people don't suggest it, but I think it goes quite well. Chopped parsley, just add in. Mix it, see. So, we leave things cook. We come back in a while when things are more ready. It's almost ready. Should be like this, golden and crispy looking. And this time you put lots of pepper, again, freshly ground pepper. This is going almost ready to put the spaghetti in. Pepper's enough. So, meantime you put this up. You don't want to overdo it. Again, crispy, so it's fine. Just put the whole thing in there. Wait for the water to boil. Right. So what you do, if you have a full packet, you want all done, you just go like that. It opens. But if you do a 1/2 packet, which, as I said, the 1 is for 4, half is for 2. That's the rough idea for 1 portion. Go like that, rough idea for 1 portion. And you grind. Maybe I'll add a little more because I think I'm a little hungry today. Right, just make sure. Then you do take a fork and start to push them in. Because if you don't push them in slowly, you push them down and slowly in. But if you don't, the fire will burn them and they change color. And then you have to be, at the beginning, you have to try to mix it. That's more important at the beginning. Once you start to cook, then it's fine. You stir every now and again. Don't break them, just be slowly. If you can see it. Try to stir them without being, no break. They will bend eventually. And keep doing it that way. Okay? And you keep stirring it. Don't need any oil on it, like some people say put olive oil into the water. Don't. It's just waste. All you need is keep stirring it and it will come down a bit better. It will take about roughly 7-8 minutes, depending. You have to keep boiling, keep stirring every now and again. Not all the time, but now and again, give a stir, especially at the beginning. Okay? We'll leave it there, we'll come back when they're ready to show you what to do next. Welcome back. To check if it's al dente, it's like this. When it stays on the fork, it doesn't slow down, that's ready. Okay, it's been the right time. So you take it off, and you keep some of the water back. You might need that. Put that one off, and put it here. Start with this fire. No, again, very good. Okay. Okay, that's enough for 2. So if you can do this, which not many, you just mix it with the fork. But this is a better way of mixing things. Okay? I eat the straw the best. Okay, start you stir first a little bit. And then what you do is you take crying. Because I put the off one time. Yeah, you can hear. Begin to be okay. You can put a little more pepper. Pepper is important. Makes it nice and tasty. And make sure you have a glass of wine. Cheers. Right, half an aperitif ready with this. Okay, I think it's ready now. What you do, you can throw the mixing into the pan, but be careful not to cook. Clean it properly and stir it quickly. Otherwise, you start to cook and you get the omelette style cooking, scrambled egg. You don't want that, you want the mix. And to do that, put a little bit of water. It's be a bit more creamy like this. Do a very quickly. Think that's ready. what you do, serve it, don't let it cook, because if it cooks too much, then you get the scrambled egg effect. Should be more, almost creamy, but not cream, like people think. So, say that's enough for two, but I've done a bigger portion for me and a smaller portion for Lisa. See, kind of idea, it's not quite cooked, but that's what you meant to have it. That's it. That's ready. What you do now is put more cheese, like I'll show you in a sec. Loads of cheese.